A key component to successful collaboration is communication. Office 365 and Windows 10 applications work seamlessly alongside other services to allow educators and students to collaborate and communicate using a variety of devices. Let me show you just a few ways I've used these tools recently with a day in my life as a teacher. The News app in Windows 10 helps me keep up with current events, and I see a lot of useful articles from a variety of sources. Recently, I've heard teachers chatting about spinners in the classroom. I found an article about fidget toys the other day, and I emailed it to some of my colleagues using the share options in the News app. I'm preparing to teach a unit on measurement, and I thought it would be great to use some real-world examples. I used Aerial View in the Windows 10 Maps app to view tall buildings from all around the world, like the CN Tower in Toronto. We can interact with this together, and then I use the Share feature to send the map view to our OneNote class notebook so students can take real-world data to work on when solving measurement problems. During grade level planning time yesterday, my colleagues and I were collecting math assessment data. To help us use our time efficiently, I created a spreadsheet and shared it with my colleagues. In Excel 2016, we can live edit the workbook to enter our data together at the same time. This assists our efforts in tracking student progress with math concepts. In my after-school tech club, students are co-editing a sway with videos and examples of school routines. This is one way students are teaching others and sharing knowledge with our larger school community. When finished, students will share a view-only link with staff so they can use this way to teach new students and next year's classes about our school routines and expectations. After I leave school for the day, internet might not be available, or it might simply be disconnected, like when working in airplane mode. Being able to work offline with Microsoft Office programs helps keep me productive. For example, I might need to prepare my morning message to my students in our class notebook while offline. I can work offline while OneNote saves a local copy to my device. As soon as I'm connected to our network again, OneNote automatically syncs all my changes. The syncing features with Office 365 and Microsoft Office installed programs keep my students and me up to date with our work. While working in Office online, our creations in the web apps are automatically saved to OneDrive. In a one-to-one environment, students with OneDrive syncing to their devices can also access their files without needing to open a web browser, and even without an internet connection. With Office 365 and Windows 10 application sharing features, I've never felt more connected with my colleagues and students. I appreciate receiving real-time updates with file syncing, increasing workload efficiency with collaborative planning, and receiving shared work from my students to regularly monitor their progress.